Carob, an ancient ingredient, is making a remarkable comeback. It's a superfood that's not just tasty, but also brimming with health benefits. A perfect chocolate alternative for health enthusiasts and those with a sweet tooth just like me. Incredibly versatile, today you learn how to make your own Carob powder and 3 easy, delicious and nutritious recipes. But stay tuned till the end, as I will reveal a secret ingredient you probably didn't know existed. Welcome back to Main Chef, Tommaso here. Let's talk about Carobs. Carob is derived from the pod of the carob tree, offering naturally sweet and nutritious edge. Unlike chocolate, it's caffeine-free, low in fat and very rich in fiber and antioxidants. Here, all the raw carob pods are the base of all our recipes today. And as soon as we learn how to cook and how to process them, we're gonna discover a new world of flavor and possibilities. So the first bit for the day is learn how to turn these pods into a powder just like this one. And the process is surprisingly simple. First we boil the carobs for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we let them soak for a few hours. Now they are easy to clean. We get a knife, we split the pods in half and we separate them from the seeds. Now we can either roast or dehydrate them, and I prefer the dehydration for its gentle approach and the ability to enhance their natural sweetness. Once ready, we get our blender and we blitz and sieve them to get this fine aromatic powder perfect for all our recipes. Now, if you're wondering what's gonna happen with the seeds, just don't throw them, we're gonna come back to them later. Also, if you're liking this video, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's kick off our carob adventure with the first recipe, which is a homemade carob chocolate bar. Let's start by toasting some hazelnut gently. Chop them and set aside. In a bowl, whisk coconut oil, odorless or standard, with our carob powder until smooth. Then, add the toasted hazelnuts and feel free to include coconut bits, hemp seeds or some of your favorites. Mix these ingredients, put the blend into molds and refrigerate. What you get are luxurious, healthy carob chocolate bars with unique sweet notes, perfectly complementing the coconut and the hazelnuts. Try it and share your favorite addition to the recipe in the comments. Next recipe we have our Carob Energy Truffles. These are a powerhouse of energy and flavor, and to make them is super easy. We start by blitzing dates and apricots first, with a touch of agave or syrup of your choice. Then separately we blitz muesli, almond powder, hemp seeds and carob powder. Then we combine both mixes to form a homogeneous paste, and we start shaping them into energy-packed balls. We finish them with a dust of carob powder, just how you do with the chocolate truffles. These truffles are really a wonder. They are ideal for a quick snack or perfect for a post-workout boost. Alright, next one is our peanut butter and carob fudge. And to make this is super easy. We start by melting our jaggery with some full-fat coconut milk. Jaggery is also known as a piloncillo, rapadura, panela, depending where you're living. Then, when it's completely melted, we incorporate our carob powder until smooth. As soon as it's ready, we add our peanut butter, and then we watch all these ingredients transform into a velvety fudge. Remember to stir energetically and continuously. Now we transfer it to a container and we let it set in the fridge. Once set, we cut it into portions, and what I love to do is to sprinkle some Almond salt on top, just to elevate all these flavors to a new level. It really creates a melt in your mouth experience. Now, before we conclude, let's unveil this secret ingredient and mysterious powder. While often overlooked, carob seeds are very valuable, and by dehydrating them we create a potent natural thickener and stabilizer for sauces, dressings, smoothies and even ice creams. This is also known as locust bean gum or LBG in the food industry, and it's the most important economic use of carob seeds and a superb ingredient in low-calorie or gluten-free products. For more unique recipes, DIY solutions, natural remedies, food tips, check out the channel, like this video on how to make your own homemade apple cider vinegar and have an endless supply. I hope you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Peace!